Hi, welcome to our video. We're going to present how animals adapt and conditions of each environment that animals can adapt. First, what is an adaptation? An adaptation is the physical characteristic of an organism that helps to survive better in the surrounding environment. How animals adapt. Animals depend on their physical features to help them obtain food, keep safe, build homes. These physical features are called physical adaptations. They make it possible for the animals to live in particular places in a particular way. Environment. Environment is the unique ecosystem which an animals can live and survive.
How environment help animals to adapt. Animals can adapt in their environment in many different ways. It may be physical or structural adaptation. For example, cheetahs shape for running at a fast speed. In what consists an environment? An environment consists of many different things. The climate, the kind of food plants that grow in it, and other animals that may be predators or competitors. That's why animals uh, should learn how to adapt to each of these factors in order to survive. Physical characteristics. They are useful characteristics that help them to survive. They are also called structural adaptations. For example, animals that hunt, for example an eagle, tend to have a good sight. This makes them better at hunting. Animal species develop their physical characteristics through the process of natural selection. Behavioral adaptation. Behavioral adaptations are inherent behaviors that help animals survive. They affect how an animal behaves around other animals. For example, the ghost crab have instinct to burrow into the ground to hide from the predator. Here we can see a diagram explaining how polar bears adapt in their environment. Now we are going to watch a video explaining how animals adapt in their environment.
Different animals have different body structures and behaviors that help them to survive in a particular environment. We are going to look at the camel, the giraffe, and the penguin to see the features of their bodies that help them live in their specific habitat. First, we will look at the camel. This mammal resides in the hot desert where sand blows everywhere. Luckily, they have double rows of extra long eyelashes and thick eyebrows to help keep sand out of their eyes. They also have the ability to close their nostrils to keep the sand out. It is a misconception that camels' humps are full of water. The humps actually store fat that can be metabolized as a source of energy. The tan color of a camel's coat allows them to blend into their environment. The giraffe makes its home in the savanna, which is a grassland scattered with trees. Its neck is around 6 feet long, which is perfect for eating leaves from the tall treetops. A giraffe's tongue is long and tough, which protects it against thorns when feeding. The spotted coat of a giraffe is for camouflage. This giraffe could be easily mistaken for a tree. The Antarctic region is home to the penguin. It is extremely cold here, and the water temperatures never rise above freezing. Penguins have to keep high body temperatures to remain active. They have thick skin and lots of fat called blubber under their skin to keep warm in the cold weather. The dark-colored feathers of their back surface absorb heat from the sun, which also helps keep them warm. Penguins have webbed feet for powerful swimming. Their bodies are streamlined to reduce drag in the water. A penguin's bones are solid and heavy, which allow them to stay underwater. Their wings, shaped like flippers, help them to swim at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. The camel, giraffe, and penguin all live in different habitats and have different body adaptations and behaviors that allow them to survive and thrive in their environment.
So that's all, and thanks for watching.